12 recommendations to support you shed extra pounds on the 12-week plan. 1. Don't bypass breakfast. Skipping breakfast won't support you lose weight. You could fail to spot important nutrients, and you may also turn out to be snacking more during the day since you think hungry. Verify out 5 healthful breakfasts. 2. Eat average meals. Eating at average times during the day helps burn calories at a turbo rate. It additionally reduces the temptation to snack on foods high in fat and sugar. Discover extra about consuming healthily. 3. Consume plenty of fruit and veg. Fruit and veg are low in energy and fat, and excessive in fiber, 3 most important materials for positive weight reduction. Additionally, they incorporate plenty of nutrients and minerals. Learn up on getting your 5 a day. 4. Get more energetic. Being active is key to shedding pounds and maintaining it off. As well as delivering countless health advantages, pastime can aid burn off the excess calories you are not able to reduce by way of food plan alone. In finding an endeavor you enjoy and are able to suit into your movements. 5. Drink a lot of water. People mostly confuse thirst with hunger. That you can become drinking additional calories when a tumbler of water is relatively what you need. 6. Devour excessive fiber meals. Meals containing plenty of fiber can keep you to consider full, which is best for losing a few pounds. Fiber is handiest observed in food from vegetation, similar to fruit and veg, oats, whole grain bread, brown rice and pasta, and beans, peas and lentils. 7. Learn meals labels. Find out how to read meals labels can help you decide upon more healthy choices. Use the calorie knowledge to work out how a specific food fits into your daily calorie allowance on the dieting. Discover more about studying meals labels. 8. Use a smaller plate. Utilizing smaller plates can aid you eat smaller parts. By way of utilizing smaller plates and bowls, you can be able to gradually get used to consuming smaller parts without going hungry. 9. Do not ban foods. Do not ban any foods from your weight loss diet, particularly those you adore. Banning foods will handiest make you crave them more. There isn't any reason you can't benefit from the occasional treat as long as you keep inside your everyday calorie allowance. 10. Do not stock junk food. To preclude temptation, try to not inventory junk meals, comparable to chocolate, biscuits, crisps and sweet fizzy drinks, at house. Alternatively, opt for healthy snacks, equivalent to fruit, unsalted rice truffles, oat desserts, unsalted or unsweetened popcorn, and fruit juice. 11. Lesson on alcohol. A commonplace glass of wine can contain as many calories as a piece of chocolate. Over time, consuming an excessive amount can comfortably contribute to weight reap. Find out more about the calories in alcohol. 12. Plan your meals. Try to plan your breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks for the week, making sure you persist with your calorie allowance. You may also find it useful to make a weekly shopping record.